I am Shara the chef from grade 1A. Today I am going to do some healthy breakfast foods that were shown by my teachers. The first one is a yummy sandwich and the second one is a yummy salad. Let's do the salad. You'll need some slices of banana, orange and apple and some honey, and you need to whisk it. Let me show you. First put the fruits inside. They need to be sliced. Then put a drop of honey, like this. That's enough honey. Now let us mix it. Mixy, mixy, mixy. Now when it's all mixed, your fruit salad is ready. Now let's do our yummy sandwich. You need 2 slices of bread and some fruits or vegetables. First, let me spread some cheese on it. It looks so, I think it's going to be yummy. Now, let me put some vegetables on it. I love cucumber. Now, let's close it. Now, what's the fun part? Let's decorate it. I'm going to choose 2 cucumber eyes, 1 biggie mustachio. Cucumber eyes, come back. You're in my team. Now, mustachio. It's so funny. Now, a cucumber mouth. See, it